Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to webcam test. So guys, if you want to firstly click on Open Chrome browser, type here webcam test. After click on webcam test, after here option a web camera was inserted. Press test my cam to check the functionality and supported properties of your camera. Here check webcam detect results director come behavior FPS checker webcam mirror take photo getting card make text download levels. So as we went to webcam test, so click on test my cam. Click on test my cam. The testing is completed successfully. The results are displayed in the webcam information table. Please do not forget to tell people about the webcam name quality. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to webcam test. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.